بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. ویلکم ٹو دس چینل جہاں ہم سیکھتے ہیں بہت ہی سادہ اور آسان انگلش. یوز آف is, am and are. In this video, we are going to understand the use of is, am and are. اس میں ہم is, am, are کا یوز سیکھیں گے. You must be knowing what a noun and pronoun. Use of is. Is used with one naming words or a secret noun and with pronouns such as he, she, it, this and that. Let us see some examples to understand how is used with singular noun and pronoun. He, she, this, it and that. اس میں ہم سیکھیں گے کہ is کس طرح سے سنگولر ناؤن اور پروناؤن کے ساتھ یوز کیا جاتا ہے. آئیے کچھ ایگزامپل کے ساتھ سمجھتے ہیں. مایا از اے گرل. جان از ریڈنگ اے بک. ہیئر is used with singular noun Maya and John. He is flying a kite. He is riding a bicycle. Here is used with pronoun he. یہاں پر is pronoun he کے ساتھ یوز کیا گیا ہے. She is swimming. She is ironing clothes. Here is used with pronoun she. یہاں پر is she کے ساتھ یوز کیا گیا ہے سیم جیسے he کے ساتھ یوز کیا گیا تھا. It is Christmas today. It is raining heavily. Here is used with pronoun it. یہاں is pronoun it کے ساتھ استعمال کیا گیا ہے. This is a cup. That is a ball. Here is used with pronoun this and that. یہاں پر is pronoun this and that کے ساتھ یوز کیا گیا ہے. Use of am. Am is used with pronoun I. Am یوز کیا جاتا ہے pronoun I کے ساتھ. I am a girl. I am 6 years old. I am reading book. Here am is used with the pronoun I. Use of are. Are is used with plural noun and with pronouns such as we, you, they, these and those. Let us see some examples to understand how are is used with plural noun and pronoun such as we, they, you, these and those. are کا یوز ان plural noun اور pronoun کے ساتھ کیا جاتا ہے. آئیے کچھ examples کے ساتھ سمجھتے ہیں. Ria and Sia are best friends. The children are playing. Here are is used with plural noun. Ria and Sia in first sentence and the children in second sentence. We are going to London. We are playing in the park. Are is used with the pronoun we. are ہمیشہ ایک سے زیادہ پرسن کے لیے یوز کیا جاتا ہے. You are a kind boy. You are drinking orange juice. Here are is used with the pronoun you. یہاں پر are کا یوز you کے ساتھ کیا گیا ہے. They are making a sandcastle. They are watching TV. Here are is used with the pronoun they. یہاں پر are کا یوز they کے ساتھ کیا گیا ہے جو کہ ایک پرسن سے زیادہ پرسن ہے. These are oranges. Those are flowers. Here are is used with the pronoun these and those. Practice time. Choose the correct answer for the following. I dash doing my homework. Is, are or am. The answer will be am. I am doing my homework. The toys dash in the box. Is, are or am. The answer will be are. The toys are in the box. Neha dash an intelligent girl. Is, are or am. The answer will be is. Neha is an intelligent girl. We dash enjoying birthday party. Is, are or am. The answer will be are. We are enjoying birthday party. He dash playing football. Is, are, am. The answer will be is. He is playing football. They dash going for picnic. Is, are or am. The answer will be are. They are going for picnic. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like and share. Follow my channel. My channel name is English with Sabha 07.